Welcome to our brand new place to share, healingthroughthehome.com. I'm so excited to have you here and to talk about what it means to heal through the home. Healing through the home is all about clearing the old to make room for the new. It's about aligning your home with your truest desires and about providing sweet loving to those areas of your home and life that need attention. For the last 10 years, I have dedicated my awareness and service to this very concept. I am so overjoyed to share all the things that I've learned with you here. And if all of this sounds like sweetness to your ears, be sure to follow on social media and drop your email below for some special goodies. See you soon.